Today, we'll be preparing a special winter tea that's perfect for the chilly weather. This tea not only warms you up but also boosts metabolism and can help manage type 2 diabetes. So, let's dive into making this delicious tea. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and for your likes and shares. It means a lot to us. Ingredients: a large piece of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 1 liter of water. Boil the liter of water. Add the cinnamon stick and cloves to the boiling water. Let it boil for about 5 minutes. After boiling, let the tea rest for about 8 to 10 minutes. This tea has numerous health benefits. Cloves have analgesic properties, reducing bone and joint pain and aiding intestinal metabolism. Cinnamon fights respiratory infections and high cholesterol and boosts the immune system. Cloves are flower buds from the clove tree that serve as a versatile spice in a variety of different recipes around the world. With that said, most people are unaware that cloves are packed with medicinal properties that can provide several positive health benefits for the human body. The first benefit that we need to mention is that cloves are packed with antioxidants. One study compared the antioxidant capacity of 26 different spices and found that cloves were the most potent. To be a bit more specific, cloves contain a compound known as eugenol, which researchers believe to be responsible for most of the impressive health benefits. The antioxidant potential of eugenol was shown to be 5 times stronger than vitamin E. Therefore, consuming only 2 cloves in the morning is an easy and effective way to boost your antioxidants and combat free radical damage throughout the day. We should also mention that cloves are packed with antibacterial properties. This is also partly due to the compound eugenol. However, cloves contain lipids and oleic acid, which have been shown to play an antibacterial role as well. Just to give an example, clove essential oil is often used as a mouthwash to treat oral infections. It can also be used topically as well, due to its ability to kill both gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. Cloves also contain a property known as allicin, which is also found in garlic. Therefore, you can consider consuming cloves and garlic together for maximum antibacterial protection. The next benefit on our list is that cloves can help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies found that their properties can help increase the uptake of glucose from the blood to your cells. Ultimately, this helps increase the production of insulin by doing so. This explains why researchers believe that cloves are effective in managing your blood sugar levels and reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Another great benefit of cloves is that they can help promote healthy bones. Cloves are packed with calcium, phosphorus, boron, magnesium and manganese, which are important minerals that play a major role in healthy bone development. Studies found that the consumption of cloves was linked to increased bone density, bone mineral content, and overall bone strength. In other words, cloves appear to be highly effective in preventing bone loss and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, although more research is needed in this area. Switching gears just a bit, cloves are also believed to help with digestion. That is because the properties of cloves can increase the amount of gastric mucus that is produced, which creates a barrier between the digestive lining and harmful fluids such as stomach acid and bile. This ensures that the digestive lining isn't exposed directly to acidic or alkaline corrosion. Again, eugenol is the property of cloves that is believed to be responsible for this benefit. Cloves can also help with digestion by killing off pathogens and certain fungi that try to disrupt a healthy intestinal flora in your gut. And while we're on this topic, not only can they help with digestion, cloves are also effective in preventing stomach ulcers. Again, researchers believe that eugenol helps increase gastric mucus, which protects the entire digestive system and helps prevent stomach ulcers from developing. One study was performed to test the effectiveness of cloves compared to pharmaceutical drugs in preventing and treating stomach ulcers. The results found that cloves exhibited effects similar to the anti-ulcer drugs that were administered with. That said, more research is needed in this area, but preliminary findings do seem to be promising. Another great benefit of cloves is that they can reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a natural part of the body's immune response and serves an important role in healing injuries and fighting off foreign invaders such as chemicals and microorganisms. However, if it persists for a period of time, it becomes chronic inflammation, which has been linked to some of the world's most deadly diseases, including heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. Thankfully, researchers found that cloves contain compounds that can reduce inflammation in the body, which is a claim that has been supported by multiple studies. And that leads to the next benefit on our list, which is that cloves can potentially provide a boost to your immune system. This is an indirect benefit of cloves that occurs due to their ability to reduce chronic inflammation. As previously mentioned, chronic inflammation is a key contributor to some of the world's most deadly diseases. Therefore, by reducing inflammation in the body, you can indirectly provide a boost to your immune system. So, by adding cloves to your diet, it can strengthen your immune response and decrease the likelihood of getting sick over time. Another surprising benefit that we should mention is that cloves can be used to treat a toothache. The reason is the compound eugenol found in cloves can serve as a natural anesthetic, which can reduce pain that stems from a sore tooth. One study was performed to test the effectiveness of cloves compared to benzocaine, which is a topical anesthetic used in the dental setting. The results showed that both cloves and benzocaine offered similar pain relief. Additionally, clove-based mouthwash contains antiplaque and antigingivitis properties, which can inhibit the growth of pathogens and provide an overall boost to your dental health. The next benefit on our list points out that cloves can also improve liver health. Researchers believe that the properties of cloves can play a role in reversing cirrhosis and reducing the risk of developing liver cancer. Studies found them to be effective in decreasing the amount of a specific enzyme that is involved in the development of liver disease. And as previously mentioned, cloves are packed with antioxidants that are known to help the liver by preventing or eliminating oxidative stress. This goes a long way when it comes to preventing fatty liver disease, which is a growing concern that is expected to affect up to 33% of adults by 2030. Therefore, using a natural substance like cloves is an easy and effective way to take care of your liver for years to come. So just to give a quick recap, the top 10 health benefits from cloves include they are packed with antioxidants, have antibacterial properties, can regulate blood sugar levels, promote healthy bones, help with digestion, prevent stomach ulcers, reduce inflammation, boost the immune system, treat a toothache, and improve liver health. These are just a few of the many reasons why you can consider adding cloves to your daily regimen. But real quick, guys, do me a huge favor and hit the like button. It really helps support the channel and I greatly appreciate. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy. Millions of people around the world are looking to take advantage of the impressive health benefits that can be obtained by eating cloves on a daily basis. Hopefully, the information that you learned in this video can help you do just that. With that said, keep in mind that we are not doctors and this video should not be taken as medical advice. Again, this video is for informational purposes only, but hopefully you learned a thing or two and hopefully you are now one step closer to improving your overall health and thus improving the overall quality of your life. If so, be sure to let us know down in the comments section below. Type I am powerful in the comments. Continue learning. Watch this video now.